The Ministry of Health, Wellness and Nutrition is aware of growing public concern regarding reports of increased snake sightings and suspected snake bite incidents across the island. Of particular concern are the reports of snake sightings in areas where snakes have not traditionally been observed. The Ministry acknowledges the concerns raised by residents and recognizes that increased encounters between humans and snakes can pose a risk to public health and safety. As such, data is being collected and reviewed to determine the incidence and distribution of snake bite cases. The Ministry wishes to reassure the public that protecting the health and well-being of all remains a priority. Members of the public are reminded that in the event of a snake bite, immediate medical attention should be sought at either of the two public hospitals, that is, the Owen King EU Hospital or the St. Jude Hospital. Individuals should avoid attempting to capture or kill the snake, applying tourniquets like a tight bandage, belt, or inflatable cuff, cutting the wound, or attempting to suck out venom, as these measures can cause further harm. Anti-venom treatment is recommended to be administered in a hospital setting, where patients can be closely monitored and managed by trained healthcare professionals. Hospitals are equipped to provide the necessary emergency care and observation required for the safe administration of antivenom, management of potential complications, advanced procedures including surgical interventions, and admission. Therefore, the St. Jude Hospital and the Owen King EU Hospital are the designated sites for definitive treatment of snake bite injuries. To reduce the risk of snake encounters, residents are encouraged to follow the guidelines provided by the Ministry of Agriculture, Fisheries, Food Security, and Sustainable Development, which includes keeping yards and surrounding areas free of overgrown vegetation and debris, wearing protective footwear when walking in bushy or grassy areas, and exercising caution when working outdoors. The Ministry of Health sympathizes with families who have been recently affected by snakebite incidents and is cognizant of the emotional and psychological implications on families and residents of snake-prone communities. Mental health support services are available at community wellness centers, and persons are encouraged to access the service if needed. As the ministry continues to monitor the situation, measures are also being taken to strengthen the health system through improvements in service delivery, emergency medical transport, healthcare worker training, and overall response capacity. We encourage the public to remain vigilant, seek prompt medical care when necessary, and rely on official sources for accurate information.